Igbo ndị mana ga manteke na kwa mo na onwe statement Soludo me. So biko achọrọ m ka unu cool down. Like before m play those video onwe hem chọrọ ekwu. Amarọ m na ọchịchị Soludo this statement o make or statement dictatorship or statement or statement democracy. Because remember impose a law on people decide to make their shop on their own. But they choose to out of their own willingness in all on. Because pause on na because the way things is now very soon under security up to now that main market mad. I know what I am saying. That now everybody will be when Anambra State is a potential angry onubi ojo. Had the 10 more than 9 are always bitter among them. Maybe one or two men name maybe no peace at home, maybe no peace in salary and other things. Before a Malian men be the bubeli hand one mother. Because one thing about you people on a government, I want a mother and Obiada don't know ma. Ndu mad na zolo nwa ha Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. If you impose Monday on them, had deciding on their own. We seka ha na Anambra State na lose so. Because tupa ya gani rumpo zonna na nekeni ihe kwuru. And everybody watching na nene ihe Soludo ko one. Unenecha unafu ihe ndị mmadụ reaction ndị mmadụ na that rumpo zonna ku. After that unafu the face of the main market now. After that, I am shata zazo kaikwe ihedi ya inobi. Nenene this video. Kono fi heme nje kuli heme ne kulo nobo senketa.
Most people here who keep their shops locked, we don't know wherever you come from. Wherever you come from, Anambra is open to everybody. Everybody is welcome to trade in Anambra. But if you must trade here, you must abide by the rules. Yes. And the rules are that markets are open Monday to Saturday. If you are not prepared to open your shops Monday to Saturday, then leave Anambra, go to elsewhere. Simple. Period. Okay? Yes. So this market will be shut down for the remainder of this week. It will not be open tomorrow. It will not be open on Wednesday. It will not be open on Thursday. It will not be open on Friday. It will open again on Monday. And if we come on Monday, you want what? I don't
want. All out to one of Anambra State. I think I can name of my professor, Prof. Nam Chocho, guy. Biko, ane me bala for local balala. Prof. Idea, moboku ikuruta, mpa or walk raw. Mpa, it's in a main market. I'm a prepare for the rest of this week. And yeah, I think I'm a market. I government house in rank. Nanki bazwa. And you no go that side. Abone mani bodogu no ikari be market you tap all security ka mani bodogu ikari put a main market tata ibialo utate ejiro security we bia ka mani bodogu e bolu security bo ga kan aka ebe beza sa anyi nwaputa ka egbu anyi were anyi tokoto ndey ne nwugol nijo ne ka ikwalo enya no go that way o senior man mpan checho ebo governor no go that way ama me nja agwa ya enya wopu aka na main market afia bo onye osolo ozo mboso so gi mepe shop gi mboso na soro gi kpochie ya shop bu shop ayi nwa na akwu ugwo ayi nwa nwe shop ayi na akwu gi tax gi nworo mboso ayi kwa wopu date Monday na ya ma akwu tax oga ayi na akwu gi tax gi ho ha enyi I don't go that way o senior man ayi na egbuchali ma don't go that way mpa ayi na ekweri chacho my governor no go that side no go that side no go there.
everybody is stranded in Aya. I know get about so security agents are surrounding also. Everywhere the very rowdy. What on the eye quick by the people on the outside. If I try by any not trying mad everywhere clean. Look at people, everybody is stranded. Traders, everybody in the main market is stranded. Onitsha is very rowdy this morning. So, the situation of Onitsha this morning. Governor Soludo Biko. Show another means that get resolve all this issue instead of this way. Let us to consider the safety of the people first. Because of that, I only open a happy business here. Man, I want to get this to life for the sake of. So let's use another approach.
Thank you for watching. Now, Mpa Ozonna Soludo, Mpa Igbo first citizen of Anambra State for now. But before you, there are so many other tigers and other alliance that have ruled the state. In my heritage, the Anambra Jiwola Anambras today. That heritage I have party anonymia. Let me tell you, Soludo, here your second ten, okay? No? Do not give Anambra away to the hands of the wolves. And now what the truth? In Anambra away to the hand of the wolves. Igbo professor, quite alright, man. You are not a professor in business. You are not a professor in buying and selling. You are not a professor in Ibondahia. You are not a professor in Naibanzama. You are neither are you a professor in Eto container. You have no knowledge about it. Practical. That's why I'm saying experience is the best teacher. Mpa Ozonna ikwulu okwu kucha ihe niile ikwu ka ha si na Chinda Anambra under dictatorship government. So kita akunu man Anambra State na lose millions and billions in revenue because of sit at home. Ever since an egbu ndị mmadụ na sit at home, just as our brother say kwulu okwu, mmadụ one ka unu potago solicit therefore si na ọzọ emekwana. How many times unu potago for security reasons in Anambra State to take the security serious? Let us not shy away from our responsibility and begin to exercise irresponsibilities in the hearts of people and making people think that they are lazy. Who are you to shut down a market, a state generating revenue market for people? Can they have that short a short market for 1 week or dictatorship can change them medical leadership? Now because I can go alone here. Soludo Mpa Ozonna si na Anambra State in a lose. A public announcement. Anambra State government of Anambra State January 26, 2026. Onitsha Main Market shut down for 1 week. Traders and members of the public are advised to stay clear of the market till Monday. Kidi GM has to stay clear from the market. Kidi GM gwame ihe ọzọ ndị Anambra mara anya ọbụ na ọbụrụ builders ọbụ na ọbụrụ buying and selling. Why are you trying to frustrate people? You don't give Anambra State to the hands of the wolves because of political campaign. I am again Bola Ahmed Tinubu the Namma or them man kuna unemekwane batana Anambra State. There is a heritage and Anambra, and you cannot use this hand to enforce people and to make sure that na have abide by your own rules, because all they can share attention and they shift from Ebeno to Mazen Nnamdi Kanu or to P2B from the man looking among a spirit of jealousy in you. Man, it's not your fault because everybody in Nigeria is power driven. When you choke attention on him once you have the power. Man, you cannot force the people to choose whom they did not choose. You cannot force people to choose who they did not choose. Just like a Batana football now, FIFA choose Messi, while the football street choose Cristiano Ronaldo. You know, the government to choose Soludo, Man, the minds of the people belong to Mazen Namdekano. What else are you trying to impose your law and to make sure that you bend the people to also submit to you? Submission is not by force. Shop in ara akwụlụ ndị mmadụ ụgwọ, shop ndị mmadụ ọgụ gọọmenti nwe, shop n'olu nwa nwana, ọ mmadụ na-akwụ ụgwọ shop a. Enwere onye na-akwụ ụgwọ direct to government. Government only generate government revenue. Most of people know they fuel the generator of their shop by themselves. That market now run today because individuals now contribute massively to it. What are the role of the government in maintaining and safeguarding that market? Mbulone koko bago na that market, government take responsibility to come and appease or to commemorate with the people. Ihe metota. Mbulone ka mmadụ na cross main road na ahịa ha moto jam wire and government came out to say okay, ihe anu amago no ahịa dị n'ụzọ na. Mbulone ka mmadụ nwugo na ahịa government bata. You are making a mistake. Oh. Do not hand Anambra State in the hands of the wolves because now can I go ahead so impose on Nade before I conclude. Also, the government of Anambra State hereby inform the general public that Onitsha Main Market will remain closed from today, Monday 26th to Saturday 31st June. The market will reopen for business on Monday, February 2nd. The closure is due to non-compliance with the government directive to end the Monday sit at home, which cost the state 80 billion naira as part of the 19.6 billion in Eastern revenue every week, while disrupting works and economic activities, leaving the state harboring. Traders are further warned that if they are not ready to resume trading on 2nd and indeed every other Monday, the market will face 1 month closure next Monday. The general public is also advised to stay away from the market during this period to avoid an unpleasant encounter with the security personnel during the already deployed to the area. Furthermore, all other markets in Anambra remain open and are expected to operate on Monday. Any market found closure on Monday will face a similar closure. The government assures the traders and citizens alike of maximum security encounter, encouraging them to report security breaches to 5111. Thank you for your Guinewanam Commissioner of Information, Anambra State. Which means now, from this thing, you're going to security operative order on what to do. So pause on now. You open a mela na that market whether na mmadụ ọnwụrụ na ndị security deal ebe because none of you na-eme na validating ndị unu na-eti na security post ọfụma. Whether na mmadụ ha egbulu mmadụ ha emelụ mmadụ arụ, be ready to pay the consequences because you already released the statement here stating that you are advising everybody. In action, a government they lose billions of Guinean kwesi bataha out of 19.6 when lose 8 unu can 11 point something billion every week. Mkini kuno ji amego so far. Kidi hi jeme uzu unu na alo, is it up to standard? Uzu Anambra na alo, is it up to uzu na alo na Lagos and other Abuja, or does it look like Iga neji 19 billion 11 billion na alo? What then have you done to bring peace between the people and the government? People are not loyal to the government. You people are enforcing yourself on people. Pause on now. Imalukwa yine nyega advisor. Imalukwa yine nyega advisor. Sekuya nyakwase. Sekuya nakwase. Igwe bukwike. Ika yimeni ha before atu election. This attitude I can display before election. Kimana kaya tokwa. When you win an election like this, aranya patabu ma check up tanya hejili okay. Can display this attitude or take a sit at home? Why didn't you do it for like second term your first term for like 2 years or 1 year or before the election? Again and the mother okay.